Hey guys, it's week 3 of raising Cornish cross meat chickens, and this is the week that you move the chickens outside. So at about 2.5 to 3 weeks, you want to move these chickens outside onto pasture. You want to move them into something like a chicken tractor, or if you're able to free range them, that'd be an option as well. But you will be more likely to lose some to predators if you free range them. So the way I moved mine out was with a plastic tote. I put about 25 in at a time, and I carried them out to the chicken tractor. I just repeated this until all the chickens were out of the brooder, and I put them into the chicken tractor. Now you don't want to move these chickens out when it's going to rain or when it's going to be really cold. You want it to be a nice, gentle transition from the brooder to being outside. Once they have been in there for a few days, they will figure out where they need to be in order to get some shelter from the rain and wind. I would suggest that you check on them at least 2 to 3 times the first few days just to make sure that they know how to find food and water. So what you see behind me is a Joel Salatin style chicken tractor. I chose to go with this one because it's made to hold 75 chickens. That's just about the right number to have the right amount of impact on the land, so you don't put too much manure on the ground at one time. It's roughly about 1.8 square feet per bird. So if you're making a chicken tractor, just remember you need about 1.8 to 2 square feet per bird. So the way you access this chicken tractor is by lifting the top of this with this handle. And this is the way you put food in here, you put the chickens in there, and the way you get the chickens out as well. The watering system is just through a 5-gallon bucket, and I'll go over a little more detail about the watering system and their food system in the next few videos. I put this cable right here so I can pick it up and move the chicken tractor. You do need to be careful with this because it is a trip hazard. I also set up one strand of electric wire just to keep the chickens safe from predators, and it's charged by this solar charger that I made. I used the vinyl roofing material for the sides and part of the roof over there, and just to cut down on some of the costs, I used just a regular heavy-duty tarp. But if you do this, I do recommend putting a slope to the tarp because the tarp will catch water and you have to bail the water out. Eventually I'll use this vinyl roofing material for the whole roof. Are you a cool dude? Wherever there's no roofing material on the chicken tractor, I just used regular chicken wire. If you want to be a little more careful, you can use 1/2-inch hardware cloth, and that'd be a little bit stronger than this chicken wire. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen my earlier videos on how to raise your own meat chickens, you can go check them out on my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hi. My pig. Đây. Mu.